नमस्कार बच्चों। आज की हमारी स्टोरी है बर्ड एंड द प्राउड एलिफेंट। बिफोर गोइंग टू द स्टोरी, फर्स्ट वी सी hard word meanings. 1. Wicked means evil or morally wrong. 2. Pit means a deep hole in the ground. In Marathi, khadda. 3. Croaking means making a deep hoarse sound. 4. Mighty means very strong or powerful. Students, all these word meanings are very important. If you know that already, then we can skip it. But if you don't know that, then write it in your notebook. And when you going to read story, that time revise it. A bird lived with her husband on a tree. One day the bird was sitting near her eggs, and her husband had gone in search of food. Just then a wicked elephant came there and stopped under the same tree to rest. In his fun, he broke the same branch on which the bird's nest was, and all the eggs fell and broke. Seeing their eggs broken, they were very sad, and both of them decided to take revenge on the elephant and teach him a lesson. Both of them went to their friend Woodpecker and told him the whole matter. They, with the help of two other friends, a bee and a frog, planned to teach a lesson to the elephant. The bee first started singing sweetly in the ear of the elephant, due to which the elephant started walking with its eyes closed. Then the woodpecker pecked and broke both the eyes of the elephant. After that, the frog went near a big pit and started croaking as if there is water. The elephant thought that there was a pond nearby. He walked in the direction of that voice and fell into the pit, from which it was not possible for him to get out. Always remember, live and let live others. Moral of the story: even the weakest of the weak, if they work together, can accomplish the biggest task and defeat the mighty enemy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.